Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. If you're new to Google Docs and don't know where to start, this video is for you. In this beginner-friendly step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to create, edit, format, and share documents with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to use Google Docs like a pro. So, let's get started.
Look at this. This is the kind of professional report we are going to learn how to build today. Notice the clean layout. But wait, before we jump into the tools, we need to talk about access. You don't need expensive software to do this. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and go to docs.google.com. This is your home base. Here, you can see all your recent documents. Now here's a pro tip that will save you seconds every single time. Instead of going to the home page, just type doc.new directly. Let's look at the interface. Below the title is your menu bar, File, Edit, View, Insert, and so on. Below that is the toolbar. Now let's talk about typing and basic formatting. Typing here is just like any other word processor, but the magic is in how you select text. Have you ever copied text from a website and it came with messy colors and weird fonts? Well, here's your secret weapon. Clear formatting. But don't go anywhere yet. Most people waste hours manually bolding titles, but I'm going to show you a hidden style feature. Now let's unlock the power of styles. Highlight your main title and instead of just making it big, go to the Styles dropdown. Once your headings are set, creating a table of contents takes literally 2 clicks. Go to the Insert menu, scroll down. A pro document needs visuals. To add an image, go to Insert, then Image. You can upload from your computer or search the web. Need to organize data? Use tables. Go to Insert, then Table, and drag your mouse to choose the number of rows and columns. Ever accidentally deleted a whole paragraph and then closed the file? Don't panic! Google Docs has a time machine. Let's talk about the real magic: collaboration. Google Docs was built for teams. Click the Share button at the top right. Pro tip for collaboration, use the I symbol. If you want to assign a task to someone, just type I followed by their name. Hope you're feeling more confident with Google Docs already. If you want to stay ahead with more tech tips, hit that subscribe button. Finally, once your document is perfect, you need to share it with the world. You can download it in many formats. Go to File, then Download, and that's a wrap. You've just mastered the essentials of Google Docs. Thanks for watching.